Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome. Today this video is for you. I don't normally do this, but this is just to show my appreciation to all of you guys that have subscribed to my channel from a long time ago. Like, I've been vlogging for 10 months. 10 months. So I've never really done this before. I've done shout out where I shout out a few people, but I never go in detail. So in this video I will be going into details and just, you know, showing my appreciation to a couple of you guys that are active viewers, active, you know, jelly bean and gingerbread on my channel. You guys give me feedback, you guys, you know, motivate me, you guys encourage me to continue making vlogs, showing your appreciation, commenting, all that, and I really appreciate you guys for that. So the first person on the list, keep in mind, don't worry which place you place on the list, just know that I appreciate you and the fact that you tune in every week to, you know, see what I'm doing and, you know, enjoy what I'm doing. So let's get right into it right now. So the first person on my list is Stella Moon. Stella, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. The fact that every video that I post, you actually share that on your Google circle. That means a lot to me. What that is actually doing is helping to get me out there, to help my vlog get out there. You leave a message encouraging people to like and comment and share my video. So pick up yourself. I love you for that. Thanks very much for sharing my content. The next person on the list that I want to shout out to is Shay Bliss. She's also a YouTuber. She's just started doing her videos. She do home videos where she makes reviews of products, you know, and stuff like that. She gives, you know, health tips and stuff like that. So you guys can go over there and check out their channel, Shay Bliss. Big up yourself. So the next person on the list I want to look at is Erika. She's also a YouTuber and her channel has been successful. She has been in the game for about 2 years now, and her channel is really good. Her content is clean, it's nice, it's entertaining. She has a nice vibe. She makes vlogs as well, has interesting videos. So Erika, big up yourself. Thank you for your support. You comment on all my videos, you encourage me, interact with me on Snapchat as well. And guys, look out for the collaboration with Erika and Di. Look out for it. So moving right along, the next person I want to look at is Chaquille Alexander. Chaquille, big up yourself here. Don't know, you're the gingerbread, you don't know my doobs. Alright, I hope you get your channel up and running on a serious note. Try your best to get your channel up and running. I know that you want to do it, so work on that, brother. Alright, the next person I want to look at is Cara Dimples. Am I getting the name right? Cara Dimples, yes. Cara, I know things has been rough for you, you know, from I subscribe to your channel and, you know, you share stuff with us, personal stuff. I know it has been a challenge for you with your YouTube, and I really hope that your YouTube pick up. So I just want to say thank you for actually tuning in and sharing your thoughts with me and everything, and just sharing, you know, your day-to-day activity with us. So thanks again, Shara. Big up yourself. So next person I want to look at is my auntie, Crissy Landell. So from I started YouTube, my auntie has been supporting me. My auntie always support me in every single thing I do. Whether it be school, every single thing, down to the T. My auntie, best auntie in the world. She support me no matter what. Always have my back, just like my mommy, my sisters. You understand? She always have my back. She support me. She's understanding. Love you, auntie. Thanks very much for your support from day one. Always subscribe, watch when you can. Big up yourself. Moving right along. So next person I look on, you're very new to my channel, Miss T Talk. She's also a vlogger. Your channel is nice. You have different content. I like the interview that you did in Long Island the other day, where you interviewed, you know, those artists, different artists, makeup artists and stuff like that. It was a really nice video interview. You know, I like that. Your channel is really nice and I like that. Keep up the good work. Moving right along, the next person I want to look at is Juicy Talk. She's also a YouTuber. Juicy Talk, I know that you have a big thing coming up and I can't be there, but ensure that you send my cake. Alright, I want my cake. But yes, you have a nice channel, and there's substance in your channel, things that you talk about, your collabs with your best friend, your girlfriends and stuff like that. Your channel is nice as well, and I like that. Thanks for supporting my channel as well. Thanks for reaching out. The next person I want to look at is Rona from Philippines. Yes, you have a food cooking channel, people. Her channel is really nice. The videos that she make are straightforward, 1, 2, 3 steps, and you have the food. So ingredients, homemade cooking, cakes, cheesy bread, wings. Last night I watched a video of the wings where she did the ginger, I forgot the name, but it's ginger wings and thing, and it looks so good and yummy. So thanks very much for supporting me. I really like your cooking channel. Yes, I like those stuff. So thank you very much for watching Rona Rona. Alright, next person I want to look at is I Design Henry. Did I get it right? Yeah. Irene and bro, sorry, but you're Mexican, and I like your channel. You always make me laugh. Your videos, they're funny. Just your personality, it's funny. I always laugh when I watch your content. So it's like, it's really entertaining. So people head over there and check him out. He's really cool. His content is really good. Next person I want to look at is Love Culture Mashup Makeup Mashup. Love, I always mix up in the Love Culture Mashup. Yes, I got it right this time. You make videos as well. You say you're not a YouTuber, does make videos and stuff, but you're a content creator, and I really like your support and your substance. You really put out good videos, and I really like that. Haven't seen you in a while, so hit me up, tell me what's going on. Moving right along. So next person I want to give a shout out to, I'm looking at the people over there, so make eye contact. Alright, so next person I want to shout out to is John. Big up yourself, John Stevens. Big up yourself, my brother. Where I come from high school, you don't know anything, go big up yourself. On the side note of that, John, Sai, all of my friends them from college that watch my videos but don't comment, big up on yourself, see me. Lisa, big up yourself. Don't know all I know. Big up on yourself, see me, for watching my vlogs. Next person I want to look at is Dante. I haven't seen you in a while on my video commenting or anything, but hope your channel is doing okay. Thanks for subscribing. The next person is Stacy Maxwell. I did a collaboration with Susie. You don't know it, full of vibes, everything. Make sure you check it out. I'm going to put a link right about here. Can you go there? Yeah, a link right there, so you guys can check out the video with Susie and I, Stacy Maxwell. Big up yourself. Thanks for watching. Next person I want to look at is Alex. Alex, big up yourself. You know, comment much, but you don't know general. Big up yourself. Alright, moving right along. Gary Archibald, Reda. Don't know from high school. Big up yourself, youth. Alright. Last but not least, Afreica Love. Like, when you just subscribe to my channel, you run through the channel, you run through the videos, you commented on so much videos, like, okay, good. I haven't seen you again. Wow. Where are you? But yeah, anyway, thanks very much. So I just want to say a big thanks to everyone that has been contributing to the growth of this channel. Thanks very, 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 very much. I'll continue to put out hard work, and I'm just gonna make this clear. I put out videos Mondays or Tuesdays, but I'm gonna make that final. I'm just gonna go with Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. So that's how I push out my videos. So you get one on Tuesday, you get one on Thursday, you get one on Friday, you get one on Saturday. So remember, subscribe for more. Leave a comment down below if you did not get a shout out on this. Leave a comment, interact with me, and then you can win a shout out. So big up on yourself, people. Lots more coming. JVLOGS, I'm out.